Let's take a look at the 3-star Aquarius Beach Hotel in Sanur on Sindhu Beach Road. Just 3-minute walk from the Sindhu Beach. And let's check out room 5. I have just arrived at the Aquarius Beach Hotel in Sanur in Bali, Indonesia. I'm so happy to be here. There's blue skies, sun. The hotel is at Sindhu Beach in the northern part of Sanur. The Aquarius Beach Hotel is on Sindhu Beach Road. There is no foyer. There is a little reception room for a desk over there on my right hand side. There's beautiful gardens through here. There's no restaurant or bar here, but I like that. I prefer to eat out down the street. Go exploring. This is the original bus to Sindhu Beach. How cool is this? An old Chevy. There's lovely fish and a fountain here. My room's just down here. Okay, that's my room up there. So I have this balcony here with a view over the garden. There's a little table with chairs and glass doors entry. I am in room number 5, upstairs. Let's have a look around. So I do have this balcony and sitting area out there. And in here, I have a nice sitting area in here and a TV, another sitting area, desk. And I have this lovely bed. The bed is very comfortable. So over here is a fridge. There is a kettle, water, glasses, cups for making tea. There is a fridge, lamp. There is a fan up there. I've just turned it off. I don't like fans at all. And there's air conditioning up there too. And there's a mirror. There's a big mirror there. Okay, let's go see this way. Through here, we have a wardrobe. Let's see, just hanging space in there. Over here, we have a safe, slippers, and a mirror. So through this door, we have the bathroom. We have a basin, another mirror, of course. I assume in here is a shower. There we have a shower. Nice and bright and light. There's sunlight up there. I love light. I am traveling solo in Bali and I think this room is wonderful. It's quite sizable. It's lovely. Great for just me. All on my own. Plenty of room there for me. Very, very, very nice. I'm Linda. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm a travel guide, travel explorer, travel vlogger. Today, I'm showing you what a hotel room looks like, a hotel, to help you make decisions and travel better. If you've been here before, welcome back. Welcome back. It is so good to have you. Okay, I will show you around this resort and I will show you to the swimming pool and I will show you a walk to the beach. Let's have a look at the view out here. Beautiful gardens. Glimpse of blue of the pool up there. Bar walk up here. There's a pool over there. Oh, there's a sun deck, sun lounge over there. It's beautiful. The swimming pool here is nice and refreshing. It's a little slightly cool, but it's fine once you're in. So the depth goes from 1 meter down to 2 meters, so it's got good depth. It's a nice sized pool. There's no bar service or pool bar side service here, but that's cool. It is a nice pool for a dip and a refreshing cool down. Let's go to the pool. Just a 1 minute walk to the pool. There's an upstairs sun deck on both ends of the pool. Underneath the sun deck is this lounge area. There's a library. You can sit here and relax in the shade. There are pool rules, of course, but there's no pool guard here, no lifeguard on duty. Let's look up at the sun deck. There's plenty of sunbeds up here. Actually, in this hotel, just about now, soon, very soon, just about 5:30, 6 p.m, the staff come in and offer to spray your room for mosquitoes. So I have allowed them to come in, they spray around, not overbearing, but they just spray around a bit for mosquitoes. And I did find a dead mosquito in the bathroom basin here. So it worked. So the spray was definitely worth it, and it definitely worked. Got rid of a mosquito in my room. And I do make sure to keep my door shut. I don't keep it open so I don't let the mosquitoes come in. But the sneaky little critters must sneak in sometimes when I'm walking in and out the door. So I certainly keep it closed to keep the bugs out. I have had a wonderful stay here at the Aquarius Beach Hotel Sanur, Bali, Indonesia, Sindhu Beach. This room has been wonderful for me traveling solo. It has everything I need. Everything works, it's functional, it's a comfy bed, I've had great sleeps, soundproofing, the Wi-Fi works. Great room, really, really good. The staff here are all so friendly and amazing, absolutely wonderful. And the location of this hotel for me is wonderful. As a 3-star hotel, it's not right on the beachfront, but it's only a 2-minute walk to the beach. So it's out of the busyness, it's quiet here, easy 2-minute walk to the beach and to all the shops, all the restaurants, all the bars, the walking track where you can walk for like 5 kilometers up and down Sanur. Swimming at the most wonderful beach down there. Easy, easy, easy. And it's only a 5-minute walk to Icon Bali. Big department store, big shopping mall, if that's your thing. For a 3-star hotel, Sindhu Beach, Sanur, I do recommend the Aquarius Beach Hotel. Let's walk to Sindhu Beach. It's an easy 3-minute walk. There's lots of scooters and bikes parked along here. At the end of the road, there's market stalls near the beach entrance, and there's more scooters parked. Sindhu Beach is a white sandy beach. It's great for swimming here at high tide. When the tide is out, it's very, very low and there's no water on this side of the reef. This beach is protected by a coral reef. There's 8 kilometres of accessible concrete promenade pathway. It is great for walking, running, cycling and exploring Sanur. There are many, many restaurants along the beach and the promenade. Just a couple of minutes and you're at the Sindhu market. And just 5-minute walk to Icon Bali shopping mall, if that's your thing. There are sunbeds, street food, restaurants, beach clubs, everything you want on Sindhu Beach here. It is a great location. Hit that like button if you like this and hit that subscribe button. Please support my channel, it helps my channel to grow so I can make more videos for you guys. Travel safe and enjoy the journey out there.